For reference, this is Beekman Avenue. There's a sharp turn on Beekman.
Yeah.
You got the rail line here. So you can see quite a big difference from today. Just to illustrate this, I added roughly, very crudely, what the approximate shoreline looks like today. It extends kind of out here towards the west, towards the Hudson River. So therefore, you can see this entire bay here was filled in at some point after 1925. And even before 1925, a lot of this area that's been developed was filled. Probably some of the earliest fill was associated with the establishment of the rail line. As I mentioned, that whole bay there was filled in at some point after 1925. Moving ahead, 1957, this is what the site looked like. Quite a bit different from the previous slide. Once again, Beekman Avenue here. The rail line right through here. That bay that came in through here has now been filled in. The east parcel is undeveloped. Looks like you got some recreational use occurring over here. And then for contrast with the next slide, I want you to pay attention to the distance from the lighthouse to the shoreline. And to help with this, this building here is about 400 feet in width. So therefore, you can assume roughly that the distance from the lighthouse to the shoreline is, at least, I'd say 400 feet roughly. So pay attention to that when we go to the next slide, which is 1974. Here you're looking not at more of an oblique angle, you're looking directly down on the site. You can see, if we use that same building for scale, that was, we said, was about 400 feet in width. So you can see where the shoreline's been built out, and that lighthouse is quite a bit closer to the shore. Once again, just to give you a frame of reference, Beekman Avenue, the rail line. So that shoreline was adjusted in 1960. A lot of that fill was originated from sediments that were removed or dredged from the Hudson River. And then also that eastern parcel, before the previous slide was undeveloped, like park space.